guys, come check out 3 of my favorite bars to visit while on board Harmony of the Seas. Plus, I'm going to share with you a few of Royal Caribbean's actual drink recipes so you can try making them at home. First on my list is going to be Bolero's, where you're going to find the best mojitos on board. I always order mine with a little bit of extra lime, but honestly this cocktail is fantastic just as it is. Give it a try, I bet you're going to love it. Second on my list has got to be the Bionic Bar, where you can order the perfect tequila sunrise made just for you by those 2 famous robotic bartenders, Mix and Mingle. And lastly, head over to the Schooner Bar for an amazing Cosmopolitan. You guys, this drink is just the right combination of both sweet and tangy. It's definitely a winner in my books. And for those of you who are purchasing the deluxe drink package and are determined to get your money's worth, be sure to pack a little survival kit to fill with all your hangover remedies, just in case. Click on the affiliate link below to order yours. Until next time, take care, you guys.